Hi, in this tutorial we'll look at some of the common tools and functions available within the mobile version of the WHS management system. The important thing to remember is that the controls are the same for each module in the system, so once you know how to add a record and find a record and manage records within one module, the same processes apply to records across all modules in the system. Here we're looking at a typical system module. In this case it happens to be called Tasks and Hazards. All systems have a module just like this, but the names do vary slightly from system to system. The important thing is that the module name always displays here, directly below the Mobile Greetings tab. Remember, to view the names of all system modules, just select the module menu via the icon at the top right of the screen. In the mobile version of the system, the module-specific help information displays when the help icon to the right of the module name is selected. Below the module name are the main module action tools. In this case, the first option is the plus icon, which is common system-wide and is used to add new records to the system. Next is the export all icon. This particular export tool, and most modules have three, exports the data from all records in this module. Whereas the export filtered icon here in the search and filter control bar only exports the records that are currently displaying in the list below. And finally, the record export icon itself only exports individual record data. Below the main module action tools are the search and filter controls. These can be expanded to reveal all the options available for the module. While the filter criteria does vary from module to module, the system clearly explains each of the individual criteria. Below the search and filter tools are any relevant sorting tools. In this case, we can sort in either ascending or descending order of the date created. And the mobile version also features this expand and contract function that hides or displays additional information about the records in the list view. And finally, here to the right of the list are the record actions. Again, each of these options vary from module to module, but the fundamentals are the same system-wide. To view the options, select the action icon and a list appears, or individual actions can be selected directly when the list is expanded. Lastly, let's have a quick look at how to update a record and see how simple it is to assign responsibility to another user. When editing records, relevant instructions appear in these green help areas and also when the green question marks are selected. Where possible, the system pre-populates forms for convenience, and once saved, some form data can't be changed. Every form field in the system is clearly labelled, and many require simple selection of radio button options. One of the most powerful features of the system is the ability to assign responsibility for certain records to other users based on their access to the system. To change the responsibility for this record, it's simply a case of placing our cursor into the field, and instantly all other users with access to this module are displayed. If the list is too long, start to enter the person's name, it'll filter down the options. Then it's simply a case of selecting the person's name and saving the record at the bottom of the form, which will automatically send an email alert to the new responsible person. And that concludes this brief look at some of the common controls within the mobile version of the WHS management system. Thank you for watching.